Hey, thanks for coming by How to Beach. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. And either way, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so. We're trying to build this channel up, so we appreciate any support you could give us. Today, we are finding the hidden gems of St. Thomas. We're going to go find a beach that very few people make it to called Santa Maria Beach. Just want to do a quick little intro. This is a collaboration I did with my good friend over at LiveLifeWithAView. I'll put a link down below in the description so you can find his page. He's got lots of awesome adventures all over St. Thomas. Now he's moved back to the States. He's trolloping through the Midwest and bringing you more adventures there. So definitely check out his channel. He's a lot of fun to watch. So without further ado, here is a hidden gem in St. Thomas that with a little bit of effort you can make it to, and you're pretty much guaranteed to have the beach all to yourself. Here we go. Hey, thanks for stopping by How to Beach. You're going to learn everything you need to know about the beach right here. So enjoy! The treacherous trail down to Santa Maria Beach. You got a couple ropes courses to navigate, plus the jungle. And I have an expert spider web smasher from LiveLifeWithAView.
What's up?
Got to check him out. I'll put a link down below. But we're gonna go to one of the beaches that very few people see. You got to stop and enjoy the flowers of nature on the path to the beach.
And the tour guide screaming because the spider web was on.
Yeah, I didn't get that on tape here. This is the trail markers. Crime scene tape. I don't know if that's good or bad.
You feel a lot better about yourself.
Don't worry, you're just in the middle of nowhere on a Caribbean island with no cell service. Okay, we're traversing the trail, the treacherous trail down to Santa Maria Beach. I have my spider web killer in front of me. I hear the waves of the Atlantic Ocean as we approach, so I know we're getting close. I can barely see the crystal blue waters through the trees. Get ready for the emerging beach shot. Spider webs are a real danger. This is a private beach. Except, what do you know? LiveLifeWithAView is here. That guy's everywhere. The world's smallest crab. There goes LiveLifeWithAView. This is Santa Maria Beach. Pretty much guaranteed to have this one all to yourself if you can make your way down here. It's gorgeous. Just so you know, if you like to watch LiveLifeWithAView, and he calls you up at 10 o'clock at night and says, hey, you want to go find a beach that nobody knows where it is? He doesn't just have to hike to the beach. He got to hike all the way around the beach. So just keep that in mind. How to beach. Hey, thanks for coming by the How to Beach channel. I'm going to be bringing you videos about beach tips, beach hacks, everything about the beach. How to beach. So that you don't get lost on your way home, this stump marks the trail you need to take to get out of here. And my fearless leader acted like he was getting out of my way so that I would get all the spider webs.
I'll take care of it.
There we go. I tell you what, this kid might not like spiders, but he sure gives some hell to some spider webs. This is the ropes course. Oh, I fall in the hole. This is the ropes course version, or that's not right. I have an injury from the trail. So to get to this beach, you park after this telephone pole. There's a pull-off right here. You see this gate? No, that's not where you go. You go back up around and you start here by this little hole in the woods. Please subscribe.